Ladies and gentlemen, member of the Board of Trustees and President Matos, thank you for allowing me and giving me the opportunity today to do my speech. As a student and as a person, I have learned that in life, nothing comes easy. That to get something that you really want, you have to work hard for it. Pursuing a dream and achieve a goal is a matter of dedication and persistence. My name is Bianca Guzman, I'm 34. I'm 22 years old, and I came to the United States in 2006, representing a big opportunity, not just for me, but also for my family, because it was a chance to pursue my goals as a student and as a person. And I also came here to make my family proud of me by graduating from college. I came to New York City in August of 2006 from the Dominican Republic to study abroad with the CECIC program, Secretaría de Estado de Educación Superior, Ciencia y Tecnología. As an international student, I have faced many hardships, many of which I have managed to overcome, such as learning to speak and writing it in the English language in just 3 years, adapting to the new American culture, learning the norms, customs and value system of Americans, and learning to navigate in a foreign country without knowing here anyone. All of my family is back home in the Dominican Republic. After all of this, I can say that I have accomplished a great many things in a short amount of time. One of the greatest reasons for my success was this college, Ostos Community College, which gave me a home away from home, where I could pursue my dreams and achieve all my goals, and do it in the comfort of a welcoming environment, where the students, staff, and faculty are all like part of my own family. I want to particularly say that my fellow ambassadors in the Ostos Student Leadership Academy have been the most supportive group of people I have ever before. Also, when I feel privileged to have one of the Dominican Day Parade scholarship for 2009, and I have a great chance to learn from the best working here at Ostos Community College as college assistant in the Student Life Office. 2 weeks ago, I graduated from Ostos Community College with my associated degree in business management, and I'm now traveling to Baruch College, where I will study international business. I truly hope that Baruch will be as warm and friendly as environment as Ostos. And again, I can say that if you have the desire, yes, you can do it and achieve your goals and find your purpose in life. The first thing that we need is faith, followed by patience, and then the door and road will be open.